There are moments in life when we feel stuck, overwhelmed, or even disconnected from our true selves. What if you could disappear, reset, transform, and reappear stronger, wiser, and more aligned with your purpose? In this video, we will explore a powerful three-step process to disappear from what holds you back, transform yourself, and reappear as the best version of you. Part 1. The power of disappearing. Before any transformation can happen, you must first allow yourself to disappear, mentally and emotionally, from the chaos that surrounds you. This doesn't mean escaping permanently, but stepping away long enough to gain perspective. Disappearing is not about physically leaving. It's about removing yourself from distractions. It could mean taking a break from social media, setting aside time alone, or going on a retreat. The key is to distance yourself from the noise and create space for clarity. Think of this step as pressing pause on life to reset your mind. Disappearing lets you look at your life from a distance, helping you understand what's working and what's not. This step is crucial because it allows you to identify the areas that need change, growth, or complete renewal. Part 2. Transforming yourself. Once you've disappeared and given yourself the space to reflect, it's time to focus on transformation. This is where the real work happens, and it starts from within. Transformation isn't just about changing your appearance or habits. It's about shifting your mindset and inner world. Start by reflecting on your values, goals, and the person you want to become. Ask yourself, what is holding you back? What limiting beliefs do you need to let go of? The process of transformation is often uncomfortable because it requires you to confront your fears and weaknesses. But through that discomfort, you gain strength and clarity, develop new routines, read empowering books, or seek mentorship. Growth happens in small, consistent steps, each one leading you closer to the person you aspire to be. Part 3. Reappearing as your new self. After the transformation comes the final step, reappearing. This is where you show the world the new, improved version of yourself. Reappearing isn't about seeking validation from others. It's about embodying the changes you've made. Now that you've transformed, it's time to integrate this new version of yourself into your daily life. Reappearing is about showing up with confidence, authenticity, and a sense of purpose. You've done the inner work and now it's time to live it out. Whether it's taking on new challenges, reconnecting with people, or simply carrying yourself with renewed energy, this is your time to shine. Remember, transformation is a lifelong journey, so continue evolving as you reappear. The journey of disappearing, transforming, and reappearing is one of the most powerful things you can do for yourself. It's not an overnight process, but every step brings you closer to the life you desire. So, whenever you feel stuck or out of alignment, remember this simple process. Disappear, transform, and reappear. The best version of you is always within reach. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep growing, and I'll see you in the